Time to go to the gym. Yeah, buddy. Even on vacation, you gotta get it in.
And now, your mama knows.
Alright, check it out, guys. We're going to Duck Donuts. It's like a specialty donut place where you could mix and match and do whatever the heck you want with your donuts. So let's go. Specialty put together with love. You gotta love it. Look at that. With love. Oh man. That's what I'm talking about, man. I love it. Alright, check it out. So they got a donut that Michaela got that got bacon on it. I got a regular glazed donut. We got a donut that got chocolate and peanut butter. We got a donut that's cookies and cream. We got a donut that's like if you love peanuts, bam, that's you. And then we got this one that's like all fruity stuff. So that's me and Michaela's stuff. Now let's go over here to Bobby, Sierra, and Sandy Beaches. So that's, explain it for me, Sierra.
Lemon raspberry.
Okay.
This is called Neapolitan. It's strawberry icing, Oreo cookie, and marshmallow drizzle.
I should have got that. What the heck?
This is strawberry with sprinkles, regular glazed, and a regular Oreo.
How's the bacon so far?
It's really good.
Let me see you take a bite. If you could stop just eating the bacon. Bacon on the donut. Take one.
I never got one of these.
Bobby, what do you think?
Delicious.
Nice. Alright, Sierra said it was good. Sandy said it was good. Let me try it. Oh wow, it's really soft. Time to try this one. Fruity one.
Thank you.
Gotta have milk. That's the way you do it. So after those donuts, you can see what we've been doing. Just relaxing. So let's see what the girls are doing. And Bobby. This is what you do. You've had a lot of donuts. Donuts. Does it to you. Alright guys, we are gonna hit the beach. Bobby's knocked out. Michaela is laying in the bed on her phone. Okay. Sierra's back there. She's talking about all she's gonna do is lay down and get her tan on. It's coming, Sandy. It slapped me. Here she go. Sorry about that. Whoa, these waves are tough. So I'll put this phone down so me and my baby can have some fun. You ready? Now it's time to relax. Part of going to the beach is laying down your head. You could be knocked out like Sierra. So check it out. We are at the pool. Michaela, Sierra, Sandy. I'm about to push her in. Ah! Sierra is about to dive for the first time. Hey! I got the red on, so she looked like she's a Baywatch girl. She's the only lifeguard I know that's on her phone. You gonna rescue some people? No, you're supposed to be on Baywatch. You gotta rescue some people. Just swimming underwater, but I'm gonna put the phone down so I can have some fun too. All right, so after the pool, we came to meet up with Bobby. And these two girls, they're already chilling and relaxing. So guess what? We want to chill and relax too. Because it's about to rain, so they kicked us out the pool. That's the reason why we're here. This little guy has been hanging around us. Sandy threw him some cereal.
Oh, there's two of them now.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, they're fighting for it.
Oh my God!
Oh! Oh, look at that, Sandy. You did a good thing.
I know. He looked like he was starving.
Aw, he's a hungry little boy.
Now there's plenty of cereal.
Yep, right in the street, so he could get ran over.
It's in the grass too.
You know, don't look like he's in the grass, no, does it? Check it out, guys. We like this so much, we decided to get it again. And what is this, Sandy?
Garlic Howie bread.
Garlic Howie bread. Cool. So let's pop one open. What are we working with here?
Pepperoni and Cajun.
Okay. Cajun crust, right?
Yep. And that is bacon with butter cheese crust.
Butter cheese crust. Let's go. Bobby, you ready for this? Mm-hmm. See here? You've been saying how hungry you are, so yeah.
No, I was just saying I was hungry. Y'all walked in with pizza. I'm like,
Yeah, buddy. Michaela's pigging in.
Get your phone.
Alright guys, we are back to the place we came to first, Broadway at the beach. So yeah, let's do it.
Come on, make some noise, everybody, make some noise!
Woo!
Okay, now it comes time for everyone to come out here right now. Moms, dads, family, all over.
Uh-oh.
I mean, I'm not just saying
Ladies over there, come over here. Mom, come on.
Sorry.
But how you read it down?
That's how you press the button.
So I like just going down the sidewalk
All right, guys, we had a lot of fun at Broadway at the beach. We're about to leave now, try to go find a place to give these girls some henna. Henna, I said that right. Yeah, all right. All right, Michaela and Sierra is about to get some henna. And which one do you want to get? That one? All right. Check it out, guys. We are at the actual boardwalk. And we're about to check it out. It's my man, Bobby. Sandra Beaches.
One more. You want it one more time? You have to win one more time.
You have to win one more time for the prize.
All right, check it out. She gotta hold herself up 2 minutes. Question is, can I do that? Yeah. I like the scenery. It's really cool. They're kind of moving. Check it out. Oh man, it was hurt. I heard it was a real tattoo. Edgy Thrasher. Oh man. So we are packing up. Everybody's getting their stuff together because we gotta check out tomorrow, 10 o'clock a.m. I think we're gonna have a simple night tonight. See you guys tomorrow.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And now, your mama knows.